Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fall look because it is fall now and I'm breaking out my 35F palette from Morphe. The first thing I'm going to do is take this shade right here on a round blending brush and I'm going to mix it with this shade right here. And we're going to pop that all over the crease. And next I'm just going to take this blending brush and I'm going to dip into this shade right here and put that on the crease and outer corner. And then just to darken that up a little bit, we're going to take this shade right here. And then I'm just going to take a big eyeshadow brush and I'm going to grab this shade right here and put that on the lid. Then I'm going to take this precision blending brush and take the lightest shade in the palette and pop that onto the inner corners. As well as the brow bone. gonna go do my brows and the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be back. Alright, you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you liked it. The products I used on my face was the long-lasting Morphe True Line eyeliner for my waterline in the shade Plum. For concealer, I used the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser by Maybelline. For foundation, I used the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 112, and I mixed in some of the Too Faced highlighting drops just to give it a little sparkle. For my actual highlight over my foundation, I used the Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island. For setting powder, I used the CoverGirl Clean Professional loose powder, and let me tell you, it was a mess. Just dust flying everywhere. For my primer, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. And for setting spray, I used the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. And for the lips, I first used the Revlon Black Cherry Lip Bullet. And on top of that, I used Wine with Everything. And that's how it turned out. I hope you guys liked how this look came together and enjoyed watching me put it on. If you followed along with me, give this video a thumbs up. If Halloween is your favorite holiday, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and have a great day. I will see you guys in the next one.